And so we did a lot of regional organizing over the last 20 years. And I think what we didn't know we were doing was largely helping to invent in this country through practice more than anything. But it was climate justice, you know.
A lot of Turkey Creeks. You know, there's Africatown over in Mobile Bay, Lower Ninth Ward, and Plaquemines Parish, and others. And my work and our fight has extended beyond Turkey Creek to communities that have these remarkable American essential stories that they value, but the world doesn't, and particularly the local pro-development oligarchy that we live under in Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and Texas.
And so we created our own regional philanthropy to make small grants to community-based groups. We started the Bridge the Gulf project.
As far as the debt that is owed, I think it's really simple, and it's deliverable. It's deliverable now. Deep and permanent self-determination. Again, thank you everyone who's in attendance here who is one of those folks doing the kinds of work that I've mentioned, and really being a living answer to so many prayers. Your work is so important, not only the work itself, but the growth of this sphere of our population, of our species, right? It's very, very important.